Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. In this video we will test together a new mascara by Essence, and this is the Volume Hero Mascara in Power Black. It claims to be a mascara for powerful ultra black and volumized lashes. In the website it says that it is a vegan mascara and the consistency of it is cream to mousse. Also it claims that the applicator can reach every eyelash, so we will see about that. It doesn't say if it is waterproof, and the price of it is €2.95. I may look a little crazy. I have already applied my eyeshadows. I have used the City Kids in Pink Edge by Maybelline. This is an eye and cheek palette, and I am also reviewing this palette. So let's see how the applicator looks that can reach every eyelash. As we can see, the bristles are short, spiky and plastic. I am not used in this kind of applicators for my mascara, so we will see if I will manage to apply it on my lashes and not in my eye. It's happened again, guys. It's happened again. Wish me luck, guys. I will take some more. I'm a little afraid because it looks very spiky and I don't want to hurt my eyes. As I can see, the mascara is not very volumizing. My lashes are not very short, but they are going downwards and they don't have any curve. I always need a thicker consistency of mascara to make them stay upwards. So this is what we have with only one layer. I am not very impressed, and this doesn't look volumized. This is like my lashes with just a coat of mascara on them. So I will apply a second coat to see how it looks. So now that I try to build the mascara, it is clumping and I cannot really make them volumized. No, this is not volumized. And if you see my other makeup tutorials, most of the times I will show you my eyes, the difference with mascara and no mascara. And this is not exciting at all. No, this is not volumizing for me. I will apply a third layer just to see if I can make it work. For me, this is not lengthening or volumizing, and I don't like my lashes like this. The amount of product that it's released on the applicator is, I think, enough for the applicator, and you don't have a mess on the opening of your tube. Let's apply some on the other eye as well. So this is with 2 layers of product on this eye. I will apply a third one because I have 3 layers on this. Also, as you can see, it makes my lashes look less volumized and they clamp together and they don't look volumized. They just look like a coat of black product on my lashes. It doesn't give any length or volume to my lashes. Wing, wing, wing. Okay guys, this is a bummer! In general, I don't like this type of applicators. I prefer the ones that look more like a brush. The formula is very lightweight on the lashes. You don't feel something on your lashes. You don't feel them that they are heavy and sticky. My lashes are not very curled. They are a little bit lifted, but they are not volumized. If you like a more natural finish for your lashes, I think you will like this mascara. I prefer my lashes to make them very volumized and bigger, and this way I don't have to use any false lashes. This is my taste. I always prefer mascaras that they have microfibers in it, or the consistency is a little bit thicker so I can make my lashes more volumized and look fuller. And I can do this with the Falsies Volume Express Mascara by Maybelline, with the Paradise Ecstatic Mascara by L'Oreal, with Lashes to Kill Mascara by Catrice Cosmetics, and also with the Lights Camera Lashes Mascara by Tarte. And with these mascaras, I can achieve that effect on my eyes. With this one, this is very lightweight. If you prefer a more natural finish for your lashes and you want something to use every day and just to define your lashes, you can use this. This is so affordable. It is €2.95, so why not? But if you prefer a more fuller look for your lashes like I do, stay away from this and try these that I have mentioned before. I like that the mascara doesn't transfer on my crease. Hi guys, so it's been about half an hour. I went and I made a cup of tea because I have a sour throat, and now that I have noticed, I have some black particles on my under eye area. Do you see that? And I didn't wear my glasses, so my lashes didn't hit the glasses, and I have some fallouts from the mascara. That's very weird. For me, this mascara is a miss. This is not what I want from my mascara. I prefer full, volumized and longer lashes. Let me know in the comments below what is your favorite drugstore mascara, and if you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!